Exceptions in a mix, down 20 miles through the sticks to the cloudy town of Hillview, population 96. Except the vacancy, well maybe in the shadow of an eye. All the strangers passing through it where the rules just don't apply. Cause 96 quite